now I'm going to show you your next assignment with flight path and navigation. You're going to create your own flight path with your own cities. That will be cool. And then you're going to share it with me. So I create this my flight path and I'll put it in the Google Classroom so you can record 3 points, okay? Direction, distance, and the city of these 3 places. So I'm going to leave this on the side for one moment. And what I'm going to go is I'm going to go to Google Earth in my Chrome. Then I open Google Earth, launch the Earth, and basically I'm going to show you what you're going to do. And you're going to submit this to me because now I don't create a path, you create a path. So what you can do is create quickly, say projects, which is pretty cool. I have one here. I'm just going to delete that one that I have. There it goes. So then it says create, and now you always say create KML file, okay? So because you can send me that, I can put it in Google Earth Pro in any place. So you call your flight whatever you want. Pretty cool. 980 Delta, American Airlines, whatever you want. Okay, and then after that you said you're gonna add a new feature. And you can do it here. You can say add place mark, or you can take one of these ones too. It's the same thing. So add place mark. Now I don't know where to place it, so you need to look for a place. Let's say that I look for Lima, Peru. So then I don't know where you want to place it. And you might want to decide to see these locations, isn't it? Lima, Peru is there. I found it, the city is there. Actually, I can even see the airport. I can zoom even more. That's the runway there, Lima, Peru. You can move the map with the arrows of your keyboard too. So I'm going to play my first point here. And I'm going to call it point 1. I don't want to tell anybody who it is. Only I know that. See, and I said save. So immediately save to your point. Now you plan your second point. So for your own sake and keep track of that, you know that the first city was in Lima. This is your own record, okay? Point 1. And then after that, let's say that you want to go, I don't know, to Bogota in Colombia. There it goes. So you're going to record here that you're going to Bogota, Colombia after. This is for your own log entries. There it goes. So I'm in Bogota. I'm going to add, my projects are here. As I know, there it goes. So I'm adding another one. New feature. I can add a place mark. Oop, I went to, that doesn't matter. I can always go back to Bogota. See? There it goes. That's what I wanted. And I'm ready with my feature. You can add it always here. Remember. So that's my second point. I'm going to call it point 2 of my plane destination. Save. And let's say that ends in, why not, in Logan International Airport. Or Los Angeles. Let's say the flight, this final destination is going to be Los Angeles. Very good. So it's going to go to Los Angeles there. And I'll let it go. I can find the airports too, which will be super cool. If you can put the point in the airport. I can use it this one. Can you see? I can just do this one easily. And it says add to project, but you know, you have, this is the only project that I have. It says save. Perfect. So I place my 3 points and I'm ready, isn't it? So now I have to use my flight path. Where did I start? Let's say that I start point 1. I said it starts in Lima, so I can go to Lima. And I have, it's going to fly to Bogota. So now I go my distance measurement, and I go from, and I change it to miles. There it goes. From here to here, you know what it, one double click, 1,148 point. So I'm going to record that here. Direct distance 1,000. I can also, I think I can copy that, isn't it? Yeah, I can copy to the, yeah, that's cool. I can use this for copy. So now I'm going to go here, make distance, and I'm going to say Command V. Yeah, perfect. It works. So like that. Now I'm going to need my protractor just to see where it is. The line, I don't want to delete the line. I'm going to leave it there. Activate my protractor, and I'm going from, there it goes. I'm going from Lima. Remember this in 90 there. I'm going from Lima, their center origin, to actually Bogota. So I'm following 8.4 degrees. So I have to go and then fill my direction. It's going to be 8.4 degrees. And then the next one, I'm going to do the same for my next point, isn't it? Now I'm going from Bogota to Los Angeles. From here to this point. I don't see it there. Where is Los Angeles? Oh, over here. Okay. You can see it barely there. In Bogota, it's there. There it goes. I can change the color of my points. Okay, so I'm going to go this one. Click on Bogota. I can barely see that. There it goes. Double click. I'm going to copy that and then put it in my chart. That's the distance. Command V, I copy that, but I need the direction too. So now I need a protractor. Ooh, I delete line. That's not good. See, that's not good because the line helps me a lot to know my direction. It was from here to approximately, just to do, because it's a tutorial. You're doing precisely. Okay, so here is the protractor, goes into here. Now the heading is 310.2. So I have to fill that page here, 310.2. So I want you to do a flight, and then when you finish with this, what I want you to do is I want you to send me this project, okay? So what you're gonna do is click on this one, more actions, and when you say, it says export as KML file. So you click on this one, you know, and it's going to be downloaded here in your download. And then what I want you to do is, I'm showing in a finder there what he put it, isn't it? Flight 980 here. So it's a file right now like that. Can you just drag this into your email and send it to me? Just drag it into your email and send me that. So remember, the way that we did it is the only thing that I did to send me that project. It's I click this one and set export as a KM file. It produces a folder. Send me that folder. Send me that file. Okay, that's how you do it. And this page here, it's going to be in Google Classroom. I'm going to check. Don't forget to write your name on the top so I know your destination. I did two as an example. You can do more if you want.